In this tutorial, I want to teach you how you can earn money by making AI videos. So the strategy that I'm going to teach you is one that me and my partner of Novoads AI, because I'm the co-founder of this platform, used to finance this project at the beginning. And the strategy is searching for business that make ads in meta ads and then sell to them this type of videos. So how do we find this business? Well, that is what I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. So first of all, we need to go to Google and here search for Meta Ads Library. And here we're going to click in this option. Now here it's going to appear your country, but here in select country, I'm going to choose the USA. This because they have more money than, for example, Albania people or business. So here let's choose United States. Now in ad category, I'm going to choose this, all ads. And now we have to search for a product that could generate sales with a AI video. For example, as you can see here, we have a video of a serum in the landing. So I'm going to search for a serum because the videos of this type with AI are really good in my personal opinion. So now, as you can see here, we have some examples of serum products, but be careful because not all the ads that are here are going to be of serums, maybe like the 50% or 60%. So be careful with that. Now we have to click here in filters and in languages, I'm going to choose English, and in platform, I'm going to choose Instagram. This because then we're going to write them via Instagram. So now we have to apply the filters. And now here where it says sort by, we have to click in most recent. Now the type of ads that we have to search are these types that have this tag. Low impressions. This means that they are bad ads. As you can see, there are many examples of business that are making very bad ads. As you can see here, what is that? It's literally an image of very bad quality. So, for example, let's say that we want to sell our AI videos to this business. We have to click here where it says see ad details. And now here we have to copy this. And in Google, let's put Instagram. Well, now we have to erase this and paste the Instagram. Now let's click enter. And this is the Instagram that created this ad. So now you can write this business and offer them an AI video ad. Now I want to comment that this strategy only work if you write to many companies or business. If you write only one a day, it won't work. When I did this strategy, I was writing 100 business a day. So that way, maybe 3 wanted a video. And that way, you can earn money. So I hope you liked this strategy. I want to remember you, if you don't know, that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. And with that, for example, you can create 2 videos of 10 seconds with Seedance 2.0 or Clink 3.0. This is literally less than a coffee, so I recommend you to try it. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel the plan when you want. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.